Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here. And why am I standing in the middle of my hallway? Because I am about to do something fun, for me anyways, because I love organizing, but I am going to be cleaning out this closet right here. Hi. This closet right here is an absolute disaster. The door behind me, that's the nursery, and it's a complete disaster in there, so I'm not taking you in there, and I'm keeping the door closed. And the next project will probably be organizing the nursery. That's one of my big organization projects on my list. Anyways, getting in here, let me show you what it looks like. I'm really embarrassed, I'm not gonna lie. It's horrible in there. Okay, don't judge me too much. This is what this closet looks like. This is just one section of it. As you can see, it's deep. It's two set of doors. And then this is one side where these towels are, and it goes all the way from top to bottom. It came with our house. And then on this side, the other set of doors, as you can see, that goes to the other side where we just were, and there's a whole nother thing here. So this is where we keep extra sheets. Years ago, when we moved in, I kept all this stuff stored in the shed, and it got moldy and wet somehow. Moisture got in. So I now store everything here. This is stuff that we are currently going to be switching into and using, and that stuff is stuff that my boys will grow into or have grown out of. I just need to sort through, see what needs to be sold, what needs to be donated, what needs to go back into their drawers, and then towels need to be folded properly. There's a lot of towels downstairs, so that's a whole nother thing. Then this is all toilet paper and tissues. I know, it's horrible. The iron's dumped down there. I don't know why. Just a bunch of stuff sitting here, and it's gonna get cleaned up today. So let's do it, shall we? That's an overview of what it looks like right now. I'll just go from this side as well. That's an overview of that side. I'm just gonna get my handy step stool, because without a step stool, this short lady of 5 feet cannot reach anything. First steps first, everything comes out. Eek. Yes, it is a system. I know exactly what everything is. That's all the bags that I took down from up there. That is the empty shelves here. And all that's left is clothes that my little guy is going to be growing into soon. So I'm just going to bring that into the nursery soon. So that's staying there for a second. The other thing that's still in there is the cleaner for the carpet. I keep that in there. And that is the actual cleaning solution for that machine, which I'll show you soon once we're cleaned out. And everything else that's still in there is sheets. So I am going to do that last. I'm first going to organize all of this, put all of this stuff back, where it's going to actually take me a lot of time because I have to sort through all of these bags. It's one of the biggest jobs here. And then I will move on to all of this stuff and those. I am now coming to you from outside in the hallway here, right outside the closet there, where the towels are. And I'm going to fold all these towels nicer. And yes, I have a lot of mismatched towels. I will get all matching towels. I used to have all matching towels. Then, you know, I didn't like one, or I got a new set and they didn't have the exact same color, and I just ended up keeping what I had. Towel number one, folded. So I'm just folding them like that, and then they look nice on the shelf like that. Now, there's this empty space now on the side here. And so I am going to keep some things stored in there. And the first thing I'm thinking is going to be the iron, because I never like how the iron looks on that shelf there. So it is now gonna go here, and then we can keep some storage bags there. Now the iron and the steamer are in there on that shelf, and towels done. Okay, so that looks good. Moving on. Everything in each bag is the size that the stuff in the bag is. So this is 3 to 4, and this is a 3. I also look through and see if there are things that I'm not going to keep. lot of a while later, and I have got a lot of bags here. So I separated them out into age. So I separate them out into size. That's age. Good. I'm gonna put all this stuff up into the closet. So this is what progress we made so far. Towels are done. That's organized. Iron and steamer up there. I still have to do that, but the whole top section is now organized. All the bags are as they need to be, and they're all labeled. And now look at that system. They all also say what they are. So like 6 years, and they're in order. So that's beautiful. 6 years, 5 years. You have the 3 to 4, 1 to 2. So that's what's still up there. But how nice is that system? It's kind of an awkward angle to show, but that's so much better. His clothes that he's growing into, my youngest, who is now 5 months, his clothes that he's growing into. That is our steamer cleaner, carpet cleaner machine, which is Hoover brand. And I do keep it in here because it's just the best place. So now I pulled the toilet paper and tissues back out, and I am going to now put that in here, which is where it actually belongs. The only thing back there is that cleaning solution for that cleaner machine. So that's pretty great. All right, let's put that stuff. And I'm just putting them in like this. I want to get bins, but for right now, I'm just putting them in like this, pushing them to the back. That's what that looks like. The toilet paper, the cleaner, the iron, the cleaning machine, and this is the disaster that's left. And I now, as you can see, have a lot more of a shelf right here that literally could store clothes and anything else. So that's pretty excellent. I am not very good at folding linens, which is why I usually have help me do this. I like to keep all the sheets from specific beds on specific shelves so that when I go to look for them, I know where they are. So I definitely need to do a video course on how to fold sheets better. They look semi-decent now, even though they're kind of stuffed in there, but this is the space that we're working with. So that's how that is right now. So that looks much better though than it was originally. So that's sheets, linens, blankets, toilet paper, tissues. That's that. You can see the storage up there. I've got an empty shelf now, like I said, for other things, which is nice. So that side of the closet is getting closed. And then I have all of this nice and neat, and a lot more space on this side now and on the floor for other things, which is great. So I just made myself such a nice system, and I'm so happy with it. I do, of course, have more towels downstairs that I've got to fold and put in. So there is room for more, which is good. And that is the overview of the closet done. It is much darker out now, and it did take me hours to do this whole system. There's still a lot more to clean up, like that's just around, like garbage that I gotta throw out, some stuff that I need to put in bags to donate. But honestly, I'm so glad I did that. And I'm so grateful for YouTube for giving me the inspiration to get stuff done instead of being like, nah, I'll get it done whenever. And I hope that it was inspiring and helpful to someone. If you're a mom and you just need help with getting inspired to organize, I hope that that's helpful. It just looks so much better in here. I'm so happy with it. questions you have whatsoever about anything that I did, please leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any tips for me to get even more organized and do even better systems than what I have in here that I just showed you, please let me know, because I'm always up for upgrading and more organization, because that is what I love most. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of video that you like watching, if you like mommy content or anything to do with organization and cooking and cleaning and anything to do with any of that, please do consider subscribing so that you can continue to enjoy my videos as I upload them. Don't forget to like and comment as well, as I love hearing from you, and liking my videos really helps me out so that I can continue making videos on YouTube. Other than that, I think that's about it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.